And you should also know that I am the one who lobbied for this.
There is no evidence that you lobbied for it.
No, you listen.
I'm listening to facts, not to
No,
news.
you listen.
I'm listening, but don't tell us lies.
No, you first listen. You must have respect.
No, I don't respect people who don't respect themselves.
What I can refer to call it dreaming while your eyes are open happened to Agago district at the district headquarters, which is located in Agago town council. And it's a clash or fight between the district chairperson, that is Ujok Leonard, and also the Agago County Member of Parliament, that is Honorable Lagen David, also known as Atoka. Lagen David and Ujok Leonard clashed over distribution of oxplow, where I think they were clashing on the matter of how this thing should go or who should be the beneficiaries. As you could hear in the sound, they're heckling or barking at each other. Well, again, David said he doesn't want that kind of foolishness in the district. And Ujok Leonard was also insisting that you have been elected to go for and represent Agago district in the parliament, not here at the district. My responsibility is to control the district. David also insisted that you are playing, you're joking, you're fooling the people, and insisted stop that foolishness.
And you should also know that I am the one who lobbied for this.
There is no evidence that you lobbied for it.
No, you listen.
I'm listening to facts, not to
No,
news.
you listen.
I'm listening, but don't tell us lies.
No, you first listen. You must have respect.
No, I don't respect people who don't respect themselves.
You must have respect. No, you have respect. You are talking
I'm
nonsense.
respecting you're also talking
Because
nonsense.
you are not at the national level.
No, this is not the national level.
Let's go for council business.
You go for council business. Go for council business.
District man parliament again go and control parliament.
No, you listen one time.
No, Jan would we query
You don't know your leadership completely.
You go and
You don't know your leadership completely.
you can lead parliament. You don't need it. Let us say that you know it for the district. You are a liar.
I am warning you. I am warning you.
Who are you to warn
I am
me?
warning you.
I am warning you. Don't play with my district.
I am warning you.
I'm warning you. You already won. Don't play with my district. Go and play with parliament.
I cannot for your arrest now.
You cannot warn me. Who are you to
I cannot for your arrest now. I don't want this foolishness in the district. I don't want this foolishness in the district.
You go and talk in parliament, go and represent the people of Agago in parliament. Here I control Agago district. I was elected to control Agago. You were elected to go and present Agago in parliament. Why do you come and mess up things here?
Well, this tension has been brewing in the district, where you see district political heads or political leaders clashing with each other. The recent one has been Baruli, where still the clashes were about hand-driven tractors, which we decided not to post it to respect the bereaved family. And as you know, if we were to post everything of Agago district, I think the internet would be full of tensions, more than the saga between Spraga Promotions, G-Pet, Jafai and the rest. Well, we are going to keep you posted in case of any other development concerning these ugly tensions. Thank you.